Now, amid the fierce debate in the run-up to interest rate caps being applied on retail lending in Kenya, one repeated argument that banks here used a lot was that even with the data in hand from credit reference bureaus, they still didn't have enough information to assess risk and therefore price their loans accordingly. But if what's happening at Equity is anything to go by, it seems the rate caps have compelled banks, Equity included, to double down on both online and mobile banking while creating credit histories for their clients pretty much from scratch. Its CEO, James Mwangi, explained earlier on that over 6 million transactions they handle every day is providing a treasure trove of data.
And we were also very lucky that the Credit Reference Bureau had now collected both positive and negative database for the Kenyan population. So at the moment, we have data for 28 million Kenyans. So we don't need necessarily to lend to our customers. We can lend to any Kenyan who needs a loan, irrespective of whether they have a banking history with us. We are able to port their banking and credit history from the credit reference bureaus and grant them loans without insisting that they bank with us for 6 months so that we can create a history.
It sounds like you're sitting on a gold mine of information here. I mean, this is data that your competitors would kill for.
Fortunately enough, from the date we transformed our database from the manual to Oracle, we have sustained the Oracle database since 2004. So again, from a bank perspective, we have 12 years of historical data on the customers. And all that we did was to use cloud computing, big data, analytic tools. We hired data scientists led by Professor Manfred Kuhn, some of the scientists who built the experience, and they came and built the data. And then we borrowed just the tools for analysis, and both for consumer lending, and now we have done for SMEs, we are doing for such that by the end of this year, all corporates, all SMEs, asset financing, mortgages, you'll be able to apply online and just come for completion.
Regardless of whether or not I actually bank with you.
Irrespective of whether you're a customer of Equity. So we are becoming a universal bank, not restricted to the history you have with us, because we had huge capability for data analytics.